Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get lens in 7 days to die. This is going to be especially useful for crafting some of your own scopes or some survival gear. So to begin, first of all we'll need to have a forge at our hand, crafted and placed down. And secondly we'll need to have some clay and sand. Clay can be gathered by just shoveling the dirt on the surface, just like this. As you can see, you'll get some clay from it. And also make sure you've got the skill mother lode, so that it's going to give you much bigger yield of the dirt that you mine. Also, the miner 69er is going to give you a better damage of the tools that you mine with. Now, to get the crushed sand that we'll need to craft the lens, we want to go to a cement mixer and place some small stones inside of our inventory and mix the crushed sand inside of here, or go to driveways of some buildings or go near a road, and on the side of the road you should see some kind of gravelish terrain just like this, and just mine it with your shovel, or go to a desert and there you can also mine some sand from the now. To get the lens, just go to your forge, place the sand and clay inside of the smelting tab right here, and then just go ahead and craft the lens once you reach the needed amount of materials. And this is pretty much all. How to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.